Hey, what's up everybody? I'm here at Apex Racing Center and this is my teammate Jeff Chen. We're going to be running clockwise for the upcoming two-wheel track days race. And this is the first time that Jeff has ever run in this direction, and these are the first laps that he's taking. I'm trying really hard to keep up with him, which is really depressing. It means I'm that far off pace that he can just come out here and just destroy me in a couple laps. It's been a minute since I've run Apex clockwise. I don't think I've ever actually taken the 150 out here. So this is a learning experience all around. Looking at the footage here, I think I actually need to replace the lens caps on my Insta360X3 camera. So now that Jeff has had some time going in this direction, he's going to take me for a tow and try and improve my lap times. I am following him as best I can, paying attention to everything he's doing, and modifying my riding based on what I see here. In the pits, it's really important. We talk through all of these corners, things that he's doing, things that I am doing, things that we can improve on, both of us. I know I can definitely improve on braking later into this right hand after this straight, but what was really crucial was right here in this secondary right hand, slowing down a bit, getting all the way over to the right, and then just railing through here as fast as possible. What I was doing is I was blowing through the initial right hand and going way wide, and that was messing up the rest of my line for me. Jeff caught that and totally held my line through this entire section. Jeff's slowing down on the straights here so I can catch up to him, get back on his rear wheel, and follow him again. You can see as he stretches away, that's all time that I can make up. I'm absolutely abysmal at this hairpin. I love it going the opposite direction. I hate it going this direction. My left turns are way weaker than my right turns. I feel way more comfortable taking a right turn than a left turn. Everybody that I've talked to is pretty much the opposite of that. Everybody loves left turns. So in this upcoming year, I absolutely want to shorten this gap. I want to start getting onto race pace. That is something that I'm going to be pushing towards, and it's going to be something that's going to be seen on the channel a lot more. I'm going to be practicing a lot harder and pushing myself a lot more. So enjoy the next few laps of me trying to catch Jeff. Never going to happen. And thanks for hanging out with me at the track. I'll see you on the next one.